Welcome to our Good Friday edition. As you can see, we got a baby we're buying. But really, we got a whole variety of different vegetables, herbs. So we'll kind of show you how we did it and how we got to this point on this episode. So come with us. We're gonna do this thing in reverse. So welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today's episode, Good Friday. Looking for some plants. Some plants to plant. Gonna get these babies out of these cars and go in this nursery. See what we can buy. So we're here. We're just here to get a couple of little like peppers, really. We got a lot of tomatoes, but I love this place because it has lots and lots of variety. Especially if you're growing flowers, and the prices are good. More than most of the nurseries that I find here. This is Baton Rouge. So we have all kind of marigolds, the LSU Tiger.
He don't want one.
For a 4-pack. So it's like about a little bit over 50-60 cents per plant, which isn't bad. So let's go check out, first we'll check out the tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, squash, stuff like that. And then last we may stop and let the children pick up some flowers. So this is something I got started with, was the butterfly bushes and things like that. Hummingbirds, butterflies. This is an area that's dedicated to the pollinators. I like the fact that they kind of take the guesswork out of it and they give you a lot of flowers, so you don't have to think about which one may grow which one may attract butterflies. They kind of got it right where you can see it. And also they have like the milkweeds and things like that over here. So we actually have the seeds for these, so we don't need to buy these anymore. We bought these about 2 years ago, and we've been keeping seeds, and they've been pretty much reseeding themselves into the same location.
What is this? It looks like some eggs and there's some stuff inside. It looks like some eggs, huh?
Some kind of plant.
This one looks like
thrives on neglect. So if you look at those, you almost have to do nothing to them. These are good texture plants.
So you don't need to put water on it?
Nope.
Or just grow by itself like a cactus?
Yep, basically. So these are bay trees, and I like that they have some.
It's tall.
Some good pots. So these are what, the 4-inch pots?
It got some grass look like it's inside.
I think, what are these, about $249 for the 4-inch pots? Oh, $7.99.
$7.99.
That's a good price. We paid $50 for our tree, for our bay tree. So it's good to be able to grow your own. And we have some mint, basil, herbs. So this whole back row is filled with just different kind of herbs. And the same thing hanging.
Oh, I like that flower.
We do need to get another batch of aloe vera, because ours died during the winter. So next time we know to bring them inside when the winter comes. So let's go check out those tomatoes.
Check, what is this? And look at that. That's the
What does it say it is?
It says, oh, a yellow
pitcher plant. Cherokee purples. And here are what you find at most.
early girl.
Yeah, you find these at most places. And this is something that I hadn't seen before. This is it says champion tomato. So what you think about the variety so far?
Tomato sprouting.
Yeah.
I think some of them is, we already had some of them, like mostly that they have is what we got that we have planted.
The ones that we like.
Yeah.
But there are some, well, we do have mortgage lifter seeds. And that's those here. These are mortgage lifters. Now this is a Phoenix. No, the reason why I think it's good to have something like this is it says heat set variety, which means I think it means that they take a lot of heat. So Louisiana gets 900 degrees, so
They get hot.
yeah, these may be a good variety to keep. We got the Sun Keeper, another, but this is a determinate variety, which means that it's gonna produce and then it'll stop. Indeterminate keeps producing. Right? So this is one of those where you may be able to, it'll be better in a pot, the determinate varieties.
What is that?
Come on.
Okay.
So you got your Parks Whopper, which look at the size of a bread. That gets big. 65 days and is indeterminate. Right here. See a pack up in here. No, right here. All straight stems. That's the one I want. Put that at the bottom down there. Gold cherries, striped German tomato, pineapple tomato. Nah, I don't know. Maybe not that one. It's a Mountain Spring. Of course, you got your mortgage lifter. Then there's a lemon boy tomato. Real lemony looking. German Johnson, Early Girl. More Cherokee purples, and basically these go to the bigger plants. Carolina Gold. I did grow this. I grew this one before. Pretty good tasting, I would say. Got your Brandywine, and these the 4 inches are $1.99. Black creme. That way you get you a better start, and especially if you don't want to buy a 4-pack or 3-pack and you only really want one tomato, then instead of spending $2.49 you spend $1.99 and actually get you a bigger plant. Let's go check out those peppers.
They get oregano.
Now we grew oregano the last time. You say you didn't like it, but we got parsley already.
See that?
Yeah. Oh, and cilantro you didn't like.
Then you put your butter heat up with.
Now look at this boy. Look at this boy. Oh, you kidding me? So we have some thyme. Thyme, I don't know. I just like rosemary. I really don't like many herbs, but that's why we buying them, because I want to start getting the flavors and things that I'm not used to. Start getting the flavors in. I have grown thyme before, but I haven't used it as much. It just grew. So this year we want to try to grow some, and hopefully we use it. Like how my daughter loves pickle leaves, which are right here.
Pickle leaves.
Wine and butt.
Son, you need to come over here.
So, and there's a stevia. And if any of you see any herbs in here that you think that we should try, or maybe that we would like and just we haven't tasted it yet, if you can give us a description of the taste and why you think we would like it, then we would greatly appreciate it. So back here we have eggplants, peppers. Beverly really don't like the Black Beauty eggplants, right?
Yes.
You want the small little ones.
The long, small ones. Why? Why are
Squash. Here's an end cap. They just got like a lot of things that they're kind of, it's too packed in the aisles to put, so they kind of put them on all of these end caps. So the last good out is it's burgundy okra. We never grown these, never tried them,
Angie, that's enough.
and I don't think we're gonna try them. We already have some okra that we like, so we'll stick with those for this year, and maybe we'll try that another time. Here's a jambalaya okra.
10-4, AJ.
Now we get into some of the good stuff. Black diamond watermelon. So we had some watermelon growing, and we have a crimson sweet watermelon. Should we get any watermelon or just stick with what we have?
We had the black diamond watermelon already, so probably we're going to try
Stick with what we have?
Yeah.
Okay, and we have pickling cucumbers. I know we have cucumbers, but I think we ought to just get a pack.
We need to get a pack
Because those seeds are like not as strong.
Yeah.
They kind of like get wimpy, leaning over like when we grow them. So we'll get a 4-pack of those pickling cucumbers. Nice, good size. What about the long ones? Let's get a 4-pack of those and get a 4-pack of those long ones. The birthless cucumbers. Which are these? Now they have like English, birthless. They have like a different variety of. But today they only have just birthless, unless we need to go somewhere else and see the other ones. Yeah, that's good. These we have snowy eggplant.
All I have is this yellow barrel.
Never saw those. Ichiban eggplants, green eggplants, and Kentra said, look at a white star eggplant.
And see what the California
And then I think these are the
green,
Thai
it
eggplants,
turns
the
to
long
red.
green ones.
So if you don't want it to turn red,
Santana.
Oh,
pick it while it's
Santana.
green.
Those do okay out here? Because I know some have had better luck with than others.
That's another Ichiban hybrid, classic eggplant. And then we have the Black Beauty again, but this is the 4-pack and not the big one. These are, what are these right here? Papaya. Oh, I told you that lady said that they was growing papaya. You want a papaya tree?
What is papaya?
Papaya.
Papaya.
Like what kind of
What you
fruit
think?
do it make?
Papaya fruit.
I never
You want to try to grow?
I heard of it, but I just never tasted it.
Guess so, in a pot.
Yeah. They should grow pretty well in a pot. Huh?
Yeah.
So that'll be our only big purchase. We can't afford to be buying $11.99 trees right now, but well, at least flowers right now that may not make it, but that's a good price. So papaya
Shoulda
tree for
tried.
$11.99 is a good deal. Let's go. I still haven't got my peppers. We need to go back on that middle aisle.
The eggplant over there too. I think I'm gonna get the LA green eggplant.
You like that one?
And the they had a one, I forget what the name of this. I'm gonna check on it again.
All right, good deal. So this is what I'm here for. The peppers. Our peppers did basically zero, and I tried to buy a lot of pepper plants or seeds, but I didn't get much germination off of them. So we're gonna come here and hopefully get us a better variety and some starts to these. So we have a Tabasco, Tiberium pepper. If anybody's growing these, please let us know. Serrano hot pepper, mild pepper. So I look for the different things. Hungarian wax pepper. It looks like a banana pepper, but it's supposed to be really spicy.
Come on.
And of course habanero. So these we'll plant in the classic cayenne pepper. We have a hot cherry pepper and a big Jim chili pepper. So we have a good variety of pepper plants. You look on this side, we have Pasillo Bajío or Bajío pepper. Pasillo Bajío pepper. Never heard of it before. Regular Serrano. So you got a Pinto Long.
Pinto Long in
So she got a
LA.
Pinto Long.
Louisiana long green eggplant.
Oh, Louisiana. I thought it was a Thai green eggplant. So let's check out some of the peppers and some of the tomatoes. Then we're gonna get out of here. Squash, zucchini. Let's do zucchini and straight neck squash. Let him pass. Hold on, sir. Let's do the straight neck squash and the zucchini. That way we can make pasta this summer instead of using pasta. So let's get a few of these. Oh, I see some nice ones too. Look how nice that is. Two of them look nice. That's a scallop squash. Look at that. So it's a white scallop squash. They don't even have that on here. I don't know how that even got there.
I don't want
So
it.
where's our straight neck squash?
This one.
Oh, look back here. Okay. I'll get this one. Should we get maybe any other peppers you think we should get? Or we should keep trying the method with the paper towel and just stick with our seeds and save some money, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll try to, we just have a few plants and we'll show you what we got at the end before we get back into the van. But now, let's go let the kids get some flowers. How about that? Fiona, come on, let's go look for some flowers. You seen anything you like?
Yeah.
Where is that? Come on, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. Go, 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 go. Got a special guest today.
Who is that? I'm sorry.
My mother. She actually met us up here, so let's go check her
And
out.
she met us in church.
Yeah. She went home and got dressed, but we didn't.
What you getting, Miss Elma?
She said something about you. Dad, she said you saying something about you showing her the baby.
I know you didn't like that. Uh-huh. Well, there was a pepper leaf you
Yeah.
pulled off? These are the long ones. Oh, we'll try. A little burpless, ma'am. We got some watermelons growing already. So we didn't get none.
Miss Stephanie.
Got your basket. You doing any cucumbers, anything this year?
I want to look for a cucumber. I want to get more than one tomato, but I actually get one in my hand. I don't want the zucchini. I can't eat it.
Huh?
I can't eat the zucchini.
You can't eat what? Zucchini? Oh. Yeah. So like with those, these here, the 4-pack is the same thing. It's just the bigger ones. Stop, Z. So these the regular green peppers. I mean, they look pretty good, but
How much
these $2.49 for the 4-pack and $1.99 if you get the big ones already.